mga ka-soldering! So for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay thickness filler gauges. This filler gauge is made from Japan.
This Mitutoyo thickness gauge has straight blades with 13 mm with each leaf as marked with thickness, and each leaf can be detached. Range dash 0.05 mm dash 1 mm 28 leaves. Blade type straight blade 13 mm width. Blade length dash 100 mm. Leaf composition dash 0.05 dash 0 15 mm by 0.0 mm dash 0.2 dash 1 mm by 0.05 mm. This Mitutoyo thickness gauge has strength blades with 13 mm wind. Each leaf is marked with thickness and each leaf can be detached. Range 0.05 mm dash 0.8 mm 10 leaves. Blade type straight blade 13 mm width. Blade length dash 150 mm. Leaf composition dash 0.05 dash 0.2 mm by 0.5 mm 0.3 dash 0.8 mm by 0 mm. Each leaf is marked with its thickness. Each leaf is detachable. Order number 184-02S. Range 0.03-0.5 mm. Number of leaves 13 leaves. Length 150 mm. Composition 0.03 through 0.1 mm by 0.01 mm. Step plus 0.15, 0.2, 0.03, 0.4, 0s millimeters. Type of blend. Strength 13 millimeters. Technical data.
So F, what is the use of filler gauge?
Feeler gauge is a tool used to measure the gap or clearance between two objects. It consists of a set of thin metal strips of different thicknesses. The main uses of feeler gauge include: number 1, measuring gaps. Feeler gauge are commonly used in automotive and mechanical applications to measure gaps between engine components such as spark plug gaps, valve clearances, and piston ring gaps. They can also be used to check the clearance between mating surfaces in machinery. Number 2, setting precise measurements. Feeler gauge are used for setting precise measurements in various applications. For example, they can be used to set the proper gap between electrical contacts, adjust the tension on guitar strings, or ensure accurate spacing between parts in woodworking. Number 3, checking tolerances. Feeler gauge are often used to check the tolerance or fit between two parts by inserting the appropriate thickness gauge into the gap. It can be determined if the fit is too loose or too tight. Number 4, quality control. Feeler gauge are used in quality control processes to ensure the manufactured parts meet specific dimensional requirements. They can be used to verify the accuracy of machine or assembled components. Overall, feeler gauge are versatile tools that provide precise measurements and help ensure proper fit and clearance in various mechanical and technical applications.
So guys, ito ang ating thickness filler gauge. So guys, pasubscribe na lang ng aming YouTube channel. Ayun lang, maraming salamat.